Hello friends, welcome to Tech with Rohit. In this video, I will be telling you how you can download another alternatives software for Chrome browser. In this video, I will be showing you how you can download Brave browser for ad-free experience. I personally use this software as an alternative to Google Chrome, but Google Chrome for the safety and the features is the best class, but Brave you can prefer this for ad-free experience. So let's start with a video where I will show you how you can download this software. Please make sure you have subscribed the channel and press the bell icon to get notification of every uploaded video from me. So let's start. Open your Chrome browser and in the search bar type Brave, B-R-A-V-E, Brave. It was initially released on 13 November 2019. You can check here the details. Okay, now click on the first link you see. Okay, this browser claims that it is 3 times faster than Chrome. I personally believe this, it is much faster than Chrome. Simply you can check out this article and the features. This browser also provide a reward program where you have to see some ads, pop-up ads, and you will be rewarded for them. You can anytime turn it off or turn it on your choice. You can claim these rewards for a gift vouchers and online products. So click here, download Brave. Once you can see here, the download process has been started automatically. Okay, once downloaded, open the setup and install the browser on your PC. I have installed this browser and used it for 2 days. Now you can see here the trackers and the ad blocked. This amount 2785 ads and trackers had been blocked by this browser and saved a bandwidth of 133 MB and saved my time with 3 minutes. You can also check here the Brave rewards. Okay, these Brave rewards are calculated as BAT. 1 BAT is equals to 1 USD dollars. You can change this BATs for cool amazing products. If you scroll down, you can get the best deals, discounts on the internet and news on one stop. You can also customize this on your basic needs. This browser is based on Chrome, but it has been enhanced to do much more things than Chrome. But I will prefer you to this browser only as your secondary browser. Use Chrome browser for your safety and security. If you like this video, please like the video and press the bell icon to get notification of every uploaded video. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye.